In today's video, I'll show you how to blur your background in Zoom on a Windows 10 computer. This is perfect if you want more privacy during meetings or simply want a cleaner, more professional look without setting a custom background. First, make sure you have the Zoom desktop app installed on your PC and that you are signed in to your account. Now, open the Zoom app. On the home screen, look at the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. Inside Settings, click on Backgrounds and Effects from the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see a section called Virtual Backgrounds. If your system supports it, you will find an option named Blur. Simply click on Blur, and Zoom will automatically blur everything behind you while keeping you clear on camera. If you are already inside a Zoom meeting, don't worry. Move your mouse to the bottom of the meeting window, click the small arrow next to Stop Video, and select Backgrounds and Effects, then choose Blur from the list. If you do not see the blur option, make sure your Zoom app is updated to the latest version and that your camera is working properly. And that's how you blur your Zoom background on Windows 10. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.